Hello friends, welcome to this new video in which I will show you how to use the screenshots package from one simple API. And the description says that with this API you can take website screenshots easy, fast, and with pixel perfect quality. So let's see how it is composed internally. Basically we have different parameters, input parameters. The first one is the URL, which basically specify which is the URL that you can enter so that the screenshot is taken from that website. We have an option named screen, which basically lets you specify different pre-built screen sizes. We have here on the hint different screen sizes, but also you can specify a custom width and height with this text that you can see as part of the hint. We have another option named force, which basically is going to force to regenerate or retake the screenshot. We have here another option which says full, which basically let you take a screenshot of the whole page, because if you don't specify this option, which by the way you have to enter yes to make it available, you're going to have the screenshot of the viewable size. It is say, for example, you have here the website. This section that you can see on the screen is going to be taken, but if you specify this section, it is like for example, the node or the service is performing a scroll to your page and take the screenshot of all the page, all the content of the page. It could be useful for you. And we have another option named background, that says that by default the API includes background images and colors in the screenshots, but if you want to avoid this, you have to specify false as part of this option, this input option, to avoid that. We have another option named HTML, which basically lets you not pass on or not use an URL, but use HTML code to generate the PDF. And finally, we have the output option, in which we can specify different options to generate the screenshot or the information of the screenshot. After we do that, we simply use the URL method, the URL with a post method. This is because, as I said you on another package information, if you use this HTML option, maybe you are going to use a lot of text, and to avoid any sort of problems, this body, this post, or this information that is going to be used as part of the body is going to not be on the URL, but as part of the body of the request. So you can enter a lot of text as part of this HTML, but because if you use this as query, as part of a query of a URL, you're going to have some troubles, because it has a maximum amount of characters accepted. So if you bypass that restriction or that maximum length, you're going to have some trouble. So we treat this as a post, and HTML as body param. And finally, we have a finished node, in which basically we take the screenshot request and we save this information as part of the result.txt file. So let's run the package. The URL, for example, let's specify that we want this URL to be the input URL. We can specify different options. I'm not going to enter any text to this, but for the full input I'm going to say yes, because I want the full page to be as part of the screenshot. We output a text. We specify that keys is going to be one simple API. Let's run the package. Okay, it is running. This package can be a little slow because it is performing a scrolling on the page, so it's taking all the information of the page. So you have to wait some sort of time. We have now around 25 seconds. This is one of the packages that is going to perform more slow. So after that, after the package has ended, we have as part of the output the image. Let's see how this image looks. Okay, and you can see that we have here the full web page as an screenshot. Okay, we have all the information here. We have all the information with the with the different parameters that we specified. So this is a very useful package. I hope that it is useful to you, and see you in the next video.